Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix payment unsuccessful or failed on Aliexpress. So firstly, make sure your card or payments method is valid. Expired cards or blocked transactions are the most common issue. Double check on your billing info. You need to go to My Accounts, Wallet, Payment Methods, and re-enter your or add your working card. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Aliexpress may flag cross-region logins as suspicious and block your payments. Also, you can try clearing cache or cookies, or both. So on the app, you just go to your phone settings, find the Aliexpress app, and clear the cache. On the browser, just clear the cookies and refresh the page. You can also try a different payment method, like another card or PayPal or even Google Pay if available. Make sure your Aliexpress app is updated. An outdated version can cause unexpected errors during checkout. If still not working, contact Aliexpress support through the Help Center. And that's how to fix this issue. Hopefully you sorted this out. And if this video helped, press like and subscribe for more tutorials.